Okay, good morning students. So last class I have discussed you about different type of factors affecting of ISP. What is ISP? Modem, modulation, demodulation, working on a modem. So today I am going you to discuss about wired and wireless connection. Also I have discussed in last class. So today I am going to discuss about internet related terminology. What is internet related terminology? World Wide Web. So what is World Wide Web? So anything World Wide Web is based on the network of servers and are data interconnected through hypertext. Hypertext is a method of presenting information in which selection of the hypertext that display information on the particular topic. So anything you are finding in the World Wide Web, any link you are finding in the red color or blue color, that link is called hypertext. Web page. What is a web page? The page of the website, that is called web page. It comprises of large collection of documents called web page. A web page is an electronic document written in the computer language, that is hypertext markup language. Each web page has a unique address, it is called URL. So every web page, every website have a different URL. What is website? It is a collection of many related web page, images, videos and other digital assets hosted on the web server. Web page are cited on the link together on the system of the hyperlink. So this is about website, web page. What is the home page? So home page is the first page of the website. A company or an individual tells how to get their website by giving you the address of their first web page, the home page. First you are getting the address of the home page, then you are getting the typing the URL address. After that you can do it. So how can you tell which tag graphic is a link? So how can you tell which text or which graphic is a link? So in order to know that, first you have to do text link appear in different colors or from the rest of the text are generally underlined. When you move your mouse pointer over a text link or a graphic link, the pointer changes from an arrow to a hand. The hypertext words will be hinged to the hypertext links too. When you navigate to hypertext links page, the hypertext words in the original page will be often be displayed, different from the previous one. Let you know that the page has already been visited. If you have seen, if the color of the text is changed, you will know this page have been already open. So this way you can tell that which text graphic is a link. Now web browser. What is web browser? Surfing of the web. When one needs a web browser is a program that enables a user to access and interact with the text, image and the sound and other information located on the web page of the website. So any text and information that are located in the website, that is called web browser. You can browse Mozilla, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Safari, Opera. These all are different type of web browser. What is web surfer? It is a computer program that serves the request HTML pages. So a web client is a requesting program that is associated with the user. So every computer on the internet that hosts a website have a running web server program. Some of the example of web server program are Apache, IIS and the Sun Java System web server. So this is called web server. So it is a web server is a computer program that serves the HTML, that it works on HTML. How the web works?